I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Areas of snow remain possible through this late day across Kansas and locations of south central and southeastern Nebraska right near the Kansas border. Light snow also possible across central and eastern Nebraska areas to the north of I-80 for tomorrow morning with the passage of a weak front. That front's passage also ushering in northwest wind gusts tomorrow of 30 to 40. After seasonal highs today around 40, we'll see slightly warmer highs tomorrow in the 40s with a little more sunshine. A ridge of high pressure warms our highs into the upper 40s to the 50s on Sunday. The mildest days are Monday and Tuesday, when highs reach into the mid-50s to the low 60s. A cold front lowering those highs into the mid-40s to the low 50s for Wednesday before a return to the 50s on Thursday. Wednesday and beyond, a series of disturbances may kick up occasional chances of light rain or snow. That could be the start of a prolonged period of seasonal to cooler than normal temperatures and more active weather, but currently nothing major is on the horizon. The long-term forecast keeps trending cooler. Warmer than normal temperatures still remain likely for Nebraska and Kansas the middle of next week. The outlook is now calling for seasonal to slightly cooler than normal temperatures next Friday through January 22nd for Nebraska and Kansas. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation is indicated to be near normal to slightly above normal Wednesday through January 22nd. Key weather factors influencing the markets include snow in portions of the U.S., colder air next week, and dry areas in South America. A cold front east of the Mississippi River reaches the northern Atlantic coast this late day and is preceded by rain. The southern end of the front stalls across the southeast as low pressure develops. This weekend, that area of low pressure lifting northward, generating wind-driven snow in the Great Lakes region. By early next week, dry weather covers much of the U.S. with colder air overspreading the eastern half of the country and warmer than normal air returning as far east as the plains. Next week, quick shots of light rain are expected mostly across the eastern U.S. Late next week through the following week, more widespread cooler air builds east of the Rockies. In central Brazil, very low soil moisture may get a small boost by increasing rain next week. More rain, though, is needed in central Brazil the next several weeks as soybeans are sending pods. Southern Brazil continues to be in much better shape and expects beneficial rounds of rain this weekend, possibly lingering in Parana next week. Southern and central Argentina continue to see less rain, but soil moisture is still sufficient. That could change if heat stress increases. Northern Argentina is getting better rainfall coverage and amounts, and conditions remain largely favorable. The Black Sea region is seeing more active weather, which favors increasing soil moisture for dormant winter wheat. Snow melting from warmer temperatures in the Black Sea region is followed by colder air next week that could threaten the wheat. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.